Hi guys, welcome back to the class. So in this class now, we're solving questions on double intercept form. So let's see how to solve the given question. It said, what is the equations of the line which makes intercept of 2 and 3 on x and y as a solution? So this is double intercepts on which we're having the intercept on x and y. So we have from our formula previous class, we have x over b plus y over a equals to 1. X over b plus y over a equals to what? Equals to. So that means we can also change this to, so it depends. So definitely we're having b, so equals to what? 2 on intercept. So y equals to 3. So now let's place, we have x over 2 plus y over what? Over 3 equals what? 1. So we find the SM, we have 6, 2, that will be 3x plus what? 2y equals to what? 1. So we have 3x plus 2y is equals to what? 6. So we can have this to be 2y plus, so we have the final answer as 3x plus 2y equals to 6, or you leave it as 2y plus 3x equals to what? 6. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be moving to another part. See you in the next class.